Hello, my name is Pilile Mkhize, and today we will be discussing chi-square hypothesis testing. Our agenda for today is as follows. We will look at definition of key concepts, the Cramer's V interpretation, the chi-square data context, and we will conduct 3 hypothesis testing. We will conclude and I will open up for questions. Chi-square testing. Chi-square test of independence is used when you have two normal variables and you want to see whether the proportion of one variable are different for different values of the other variable. The chi-square is significance test statistics and should be followed with a strength statistics. We use the Cramer's V. The Cramer's V is the most common strength testing used to test the data when a significant chi-square result has been obtained. The strength of association of the chi-square is between 0 and 1, where 0 interpreted as no relationship, and between 0.15 and 0.20 it's defined as weak. The 0.3 and 0.35 is defined as strong. If you ever find a strength of association or Cramer's V of 1, it means it's perfectly symmetric, and that is normally very rare, where a independent variable perfectly predicts the dependent variable. To set the context, the dataset was generated using a SurveyMonkey asking 150 participants questions regarding their income, debt, savings, and other important personal finance information. The dataset is a distillation of a full survey data and it contains the following variables: income, debt, savings, stocks, wallet, NAMCAs, NAM credit cards, NAM defaults, like comfort. Today we will look at NAMCAs, which is a number of car payments per month for the participants, the NAM defaults, the number of defaults incurred by the participant, and like comfort, where the self-reported comfort level of the participant with the current financial standing. We'll look at the 3 hypothesis test today. First hypothesis test is looking at the NAMCAs and NAM defaults, where the null hypothesis says there is no relationship between NAMCAs and NAM defaults. The alternative relationship says there is a relationship between NAMCAs and NAM defaults. Chi-square statistics and its p-value were calculated using the PSP, assuming the alpha of 0.05. It found no relationship emerged in the chi-square. Second hypothesis, the following chi-square test was conducted. Null hypothesis said there is no relationship between like comforts and NAM defaults, and the alternate hypothesis stated there is a relationship between like comforts and NAM defaults. The chi-square statistics and its p-value were calculated assuming alpha of 0.05 and found no relationship that emerged. The third hypothesis test, the following chi-square test was conducted. The null hypothesis stated that there is no relationship between NAMCAs and like comfort. Alternate hypothesis stated there is a relationship between NAMCAs and like comfort. The chi-square statistics and its p-value were calculated using PSP, assuming the alpha of 0.05. The relationship emerged where chi with a degree of freedom of 9 and a sample size of 150 with a p-value of 0.00 and a Cramer's value of 1. Cramer's V indicated a perfectly asymmetrical relationship. Key takeaways. We know that the chi-square test of independence is used when you have two nominal variables. It is a significant statistics and should be followed with a strength statistics. where we use Cramer's V as the most common strength test. Thank you for watching, and I will now open up for questions.